Boomtown, number 55. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Number 55. So we're going to be working on the front floor section and adding the frame to the front part, adding the front part to the front part, and then starting to come together. Once we get completed on this stage, it will look like that. And then the next issue will be adding the mounting pistons and shock absorbers. So let's have a look at the parts we get with this magazine. The nice box 55. CM screws, AFM screws. And, wow, look at that. Big hefty piece of metal. So, let's crack on with the build. Okay, so we bring this bad boy back in and this frame. And basically, all we got to do is pop it in those holes at the top. Like so. We use that as a support. Get some of these screws in, and it's the AFM screws. Just doesn't seem that grippy, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so still feels a bit loose to me, but it's as tight as I can get it. So once completed, it will look like that. We'll move that out the way for now. And we'll bring this part in. Now I must confess I did make a mistake on the last one, and I put these cross braces in the wrong place. I've now fixed it in the right places, but the pegs had broken off one side on each of those. So what I did was use some super glue and some cotton thread and tied it around, and that's now secure. So this now fits in there like that. So you see those two round parts, they're protruding. It's difficult to see because it's black. They come out there. That fits like that. And then we need to screw it to the side. A couple of these CM screws. Yeah, I was so annoyed with myself making that mistake, but I don't know how we're going to get those in, really. What we'll have to do then is we'll have to glue that in. Bizarre. So, yeah, we'll glue that in. There's no way to screw that in. No way. Let's get some spray on it as well while we're here. That is so bizarre. Right. We're going to leave that for 10 minutes or so, and we'll come right back. Okay. So now we've got this all, it's glued in those two side places there. That gives some rigidity to it. Then got two holes there, it dislocates with. So that sort of holds onto there. Oh, okay. So that fits onto there. And then let's get some screws in, please. This plate might help the rigidity of the metal frame. Because it's all very metal. By jolly, I think we've done it. So these need to go back on, these parts, which I'll glue momentarily. I ain't taking that off again. Anyway, it's been a trial, this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.